evening to welcome to my YouTube channel, Sing First Before Sleep. This betrayed to desert moon, that's all she said. But I knew I'd heard a stranger voice before. I tried to look into your eyes, but you moved away. She was standing in the rain, trying hard to speak my name. They say first love never runs dry. The weight of force our memories in a tiny cup. We stumble over words we long to hear. We talk about the dreams we lost or giving up. When the whistle out the night and struck silent from my light, as the last rain rolled towards the moon. Those summer nights when we were young, we bragged of things we never done. We were dreamers, only dreamers. And in our heads to grow up too soon, we live our innocence on desert moon. We were dreamers, only dreamers on desert moon, on desert moon, desert moon, desert moon. Good night to everyone. I still can hear the whisper of the summer nights. It echoes in the corner of my heart. The night we stood and waiting for the desert rain. All the words we meant to say, all the chances swept away, still remain on the road to Ondo. Those summer nights when we were young, we bragged of things we never done. We were dreamers, only dreamers. Moment pass and time moves on, but dreams remain for just as long as the dreamers. All the dreamers on desert moon, on desert moon, on desert moon. Desert moon. Thank you for watching and good evening.